back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, I am HelenOnFleek and I'm not your typical beauty vlogger. And for today's video, I'm really excited to share this with you guys kasi alam nyo naman kung gaano ka-fan ng color tints kasi for me, super game-changing ng formula nila guys. And sila yung first na nakitaan ko ng oil-based na tint. To be honest, naging skeptic ako nung una nilang ni-release yun sa public. Nakita ko may mga nag-comment din na parang baka mag-breakout yung skin namin since oil siya, pero hindi. Oils na ginagamit nila ay nag-help pa na gawing better yung skin natin. Weeks ago or a month ago, nag-release naman sila ng contour tints and now, their latest product is the shimmer tints. So if you're interested on my thoughts about the shimmer tints, please keep on watching. So, nung nakita ko na oh my gosh, meron na silang liquid highlighter. Finally! And I'm really excited with the shades kasi sobrang gaganda ng colors ng swatches nila. Pero, titignan natin kung mag-work ba siya sa akin and kung ano ba yung masasabi ko tungkol sa bagong products nito. So, meron na silang 4 shades ng shimmer tints and nabasa ko na ito ay inspired sa mga gems, kaya ganito yung pangalan nila. Crystal Prism. So, I assume from the packaging, medyo champagne. Yellow Diamond. Tiger's Eye. Ayan. Sabi sa feng shui, swerte ang Tiger's Eye when it comes to prosperity. And then, the Rose Quartz. Ayan, the very trendy Rose Quartz color of 2018. So, ngayon ko lang ito try. I'm super excited. Pinaka nilulook forward kong shade ay itong Crystal Prism and itong Yellow Diamond. Kasi feeling ko ito yung pasok sa skin tone ko. Pero let's see. Kung first time kayong bibili ng Colorette, ito yung color tints nila. Makikita nyo na parang nagsasubside talaga yung pigment sa ilalim. So, i-shake mo siya ng malala. Maglalagay muna ako ng tint sa aking cheeks para makomplete ko yung look. Color tints, super pigmented niya guys. Itong tutorial na to ay no brushes makeup challenge. And with these products, ito kasi yung mga klase ng products na talagang beginner-friendly kasi kahit kamay lang mag-work na siya, diba? So, ganito pala yung itsura niya, guys. Medyo mukha talaga siyang nail polish and medyo prone siya mabasag. So, ingat na lang tayo sa paggamit. So, bago natin simulan, ay iswatch ko muna sa inyo kung ano ang mga shades nitong shimmer tints. Parang mas malabnaw siya kaysa sa ano yung formula ng color tint. So, this is it. The moment of truth. Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my God. Yes! Oh my God. Grabe. Alam niyo yung para ako nagsulat ng pentel na silver. Grabe! Hindi chunky yung pigments niya, guys. Kasi may ibang liquid highlighter na para siyang papunta na sa glitters. Pero ito, super smooth ng itsura niya. Oh my gosh! Para akong may reflector sa kamay. Oh my gosh! Try natin siya i-blend. Skin pa rin yung itsura niya, pero luminous. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Meron lang akong isang applicator na tabingi siya. Hopefully, dumiretso siya habang ginagamit. So, ito yung Yellow Diamond. Grabe! Pag nakikita ko yung swatch, grabe! Next ay yung Tiger's Eye. This is the deepest na highlight shade. Yes! Oh my God! Para siyang foil! Okay, girl. Ayan. Komang is real, pero swatch is life. Ang braso ko mag-a-adjust. So, these are the complete swatches of the 4 shimmer tints. So, this is Rose Quartz, a very pink na shade. And then, Yellow Diamond, super yellow. And almost gold. And then, ito ay yung Tiger's Eye Bronze, perfect for morenas. And this is the Crystal Prism Champagne na may silver undertone. Kasi pag nakita mo ganyan, oh, medyo silver yung itsura niya. So, I will be using Crystal Prism on my cheeks. Tatluhin natin. Diba? Pa! What I see. Ayan. Siyempre, medyo gusto ko yung So, isang layer. Ayan. So, hindi siya pwedeng dots. Dapat medyo malalaki yung application kasi kung gusto mo yung... Wow! Kung gusto mo yung ganyan, yan talaga mapapawow ka. Medyo mahahaba yung mga gagawin mo. Kasi pag blend mo siya sa skin, magiging sheer siya. So, damihan natin ng konti kung gusto mo ng lalaban na highlight. Naka-BB cream ako underneath, pero hindi siya naging streaky, hindi siya gumalaw. Ang maganda dito, wala akong ginamit na any sponge or brush. Super friendly sa beginners. Kung gusto mo talaga ng glowing skin from within, it's a yes for me, girl. Nag-a-apply ako ng medyo madami para bongga yung highlight. The highlight that we've been all waiting for. Oh, thank you, Lord. Tapos, maglagay lang din ako sa aking nose. Oh my goodness! It's so nice. Grabe, oh. Pack. Nose line yan. Oh my gosh. So, maganda pa sa liquid highlighter kasi diba may ibang blinding na highlighters na nagiging chunky on the face. But this one, it's liquid. Mas madali siyang nagmumukhang skin-like kasi nga liquid na siya. Mas madali siya mag-blend sa skin. But it gives you that glow that we've been all waiting for! Since Crystal Prism is the best, I can really feel na best na siya for my skin. Tatry ko yung rose quartz sa aking eyelids. Since ito yung isang shade na talagang curious me. So, ibe-blend ko lang yung rose quartz hanggang sa aking inner corner using my pinky finger para ma-highlight yung inner corners. So, for the tiger's eye and the yellow diamond, I think this is perfect para sa mga mas yellowish yung undertone or warm yung undertone kasi nga warm yung base nila. Kasi ako, parang pinkish yung undertone ng skin ko kasi talaga, kunyari, maano lang ako ng konti, namumula yung skin ko. So, kaya siguro, mas match kami ni Rose Quartz and the Crystal Prism. Pero, I will show you ano yung itsura ng Tiger's Eye and ng Yellow Diamond when blended. So, this is Tiger's Eye. This is a bronze. Hindi naman siya talagang dark na dark. Enough lang siya para mag-glow for morena girls. And this is Yellow Diamond. And I will blend it. Ayan yung mga itsura nila when blended. And to finish my look, I will be putting one of my new discoveries na maganda pala siya. Itong Andre na color tint for my lips. So, this is it for my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very natural and very easy na makeup look using only Colorette's color tints and shimmer tints. So, shimmer tints retails at 349 pesos. Para sa akin, sulit na siya kasi ang ganda talaga ng glow na binibigay niya. Para ka talaga nag-high-end na highlight. Kasi super fine nung finish niya. And kung pang everyday mo siyang gagamitin talaga, it will give you that instant baba boom on your face. Na talagang glowing ka, girl. So, it's really, really sulit na for its price. Super ang ganda ng shades nila, guys. Kasi merong shades na perfect for warm undertone and merong perfect for the cool undertone na mga tao. And I think talagang pinagandaan nila tong line na ito. Talagang tinake nila yung time nila para i-formulate ito and yung perfect yung kanilang launch day. So, I hope you guys will get to try. And this will be available on March 9, guys. So, malapit na siya. Magiging available siya on their website, I think, on Lazada and Shopee, and also on their stores kasi marami naman na silang outlets. So, I hope you guys will get to try these shimmer tints. I'm not overhyping, guys. I'm just stating facts na talagang maganda siya. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Comment down below kung magpa-purchase kami ng sarili mong shimmer tint and anong shade ang perfect para sa'yo. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye!